Good morning, folks. This is your daily Bitcoin and cryptocurrency news updates. Remember to smash that like button for the algorithm so that the program knows to show you more crypto content and more videos from me, and more videos like this one. And if you're new here, first off, welcome. Secondly, remember to subscribe to the page so that you can join our community and get the latest and greatest updates on everything Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and blockchain related. So hopping right on over here to CoinGecko, we do have Bitcoin up 2.2% on the day, Ethereum up, XRP up, not by much, so it's a largely sideways day, but we are trending positive. Bitcoin dominance by market cap, again, largely sideways. It was 63.5% yesterday. It's 63.3% today. Nothing much to report here. Bitcoin treasuries, we do still have 4.01% of the total Bitcoin supply stored in the treasuries of publicly traded companies, with Grayscale being the number one holder at almost 510,000 Bitcoin, or 2.43% of the total supply. That is shown right here. On Cycle Repeat, they are predicting a relative high of over 400K for Bitcoin in October of next year. This is a bit higher than what I have talked about before on this channel, as you may know, and they are not predicting any pullback anytime soon. Their model is showing that the lowest time to buy Bitcoin ever from now and in the future would be right now. So if you are looking on riding this wave up, then dollar cost averaging now would be a good time to get started. Over on the stock to flow model, we do still have us undervaluing Bitcoin's fair value by quite a bit. As of today, we are down again to 18.8K for Bitcoin, and the fair value would be around 24.7K based on the amount of energy it takes to mine, the amount of processing power, etc. So there is still a lot of positive upside potential for Bitcoin in the near and long term. Over on Bitcoin charts, we do see a lot of people interested in selling around the previous all-time highs, which is probably why we are not going up as fast, because people are hesitant to hold past the all-time highs just because we've hit that as a barrier so many times before. Over on the Bitcoin search interest by volume, we are potentially seeing a relative high, which would mean there's a correction coming for Bitcoin. As you can see, search interest this week may be down by almost a quarter, but we still have a couple days. This is just the projection. The reason we look out for this is it shows retail search interest. And as you can see back in 2017, when search interest was spiking, we had peak values of Bitcoin and reached all-time highs. So this is a good indicator to keep an eye out for, just because it'll give us a warning on when we're maybe reaching a high and it would be a good time to take profits. Another thing you can keep an eye out for is what celebrities are saying on social media platforms like Twitter. So if a bunch of celebrities are tweeting about Bitcoin, then a lot of people who aren't normally in the space may be getting in, and it may be a good time to start taking some profits and pulling money off the table because a correction may be coming. Over on DeFi Pulse, we are still at $14.5 billion of value locked, a little bit lower than yesterday. On the 30-day mark, we do still see the positive uptrend, and as you can see over the past year, we've gone very positive. Maker is still the dominant player in the space, with Uniswap being the most popular DEX, which is a decentralized exchange. Not too much more to report here. In news, unfortunately, the pandemic is continuing to get worse in the United States and worldwide. We are getting well into this third wave, as you can see on the chart, but it is going down, so hopefully that trend continues. Experts were predicting that family gatherings would be super spreader events, so things would get much worse before they get better. And now that Thanksgiving is over, we may not see the effect of that until mid to late December and early January, because of the time it takes the virus to really get bad for most people. This would correlate and correspond well to the other holidays this winter, and that could also add to the problem if people are going to see family then as well. So if you are going to see family for the holidays, please do be careful, stay safe, and take care. Lastly, a bit of news. According to a report, 33% of US-based ICO investors say that founders intentionally deceived them or withheld key information. This is not really great for the crypto space and for future founders there who are looking to have an ICO, just because people will be more hesitant to invest in something if they've been known to be scammed in it before. Additionally, some historians are saying that Bitcoin is winning the COVID-19 monetary revolution, as more and more people are putting their money into Bitcoin because of the uncertainties around all of the printing that the central banks are having to do to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. And then our major updates, nothing different. We talked about this yesterday. The second stimulus check deadline is hinging on the government shutdown, which is going to be on December 11th. If Congress and the Senate can't figure something out, they'll need to pass a continuing resolution to continue funding the government, and they are going on recess in 7 days now, I believe. So they will need to do that before then, or the government will be shut down for much of December. And then no other updates. Russia, yesterday we discussed both of these news reports, so you can check those out there. That's pretty much it for today. So thanks for watching. This is probably going to be my last morning news report. I'm thinking of switching to evenings and streaming live on Twitch. So if you are watching up to this point, thank you so much. Please let me know in the comments if you find this informative and if the time that I post matters to you and what time would work well for you. Thank you so much again, and I'm running my closer now. So take care. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you found this informative or helpful at all, please do subscribe. I'll keep you updated. I'll save you some time, and I'll provide you any information when applicable. You can subscribe over here, and you can find more videos on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies over here. Please take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Now go chase your dreams.